Electron microscopes help scientists to see and study proteins. This allows scientists to understand how proteins function and, in some cases, how they are changed in human diseases, such as cancer. In 2022, we opened a new facility in Dundee, housing a state-of-the-art electron microscope. This microscope lets us see more detail than has been previously possible. To view proteins in the electron microscope, we first need to prepare a sample. We break open cells and take out the proteins we are interested in studying. We put them in a liquid called a solution, which is added onto a small mesh grid. The proteins in the solution stick to the mesh and are frozen rapidly. We then take the frozen grid to the electron microscope and place the grid inside. Images are taken by the microscope and sent to a computer. Can you see the tiny dots? They are proteins. We record thousands of videos using a very fast camera. A computer program then takes these videos and combines them to make 3D models. The detail in these models is enough to distinguish differences between proteins of less than 1 billionth of a centimetre. This level of detail enables researchers to understand how proteins work, what has changed during a disease, and can help develop medicines to treat them.